Michelle here from the Center Within. And today I am inviting you to join 6 teachers, including myself, from the School for Higher Consciousness on Saturday, March 8th at the Edge Life event, Reawakened in Minneapolis. We are going to have an opening and a closing panel that is complimentary. The expo will be going all day, and there'll be 5 presentations. Nina Roberts Salveson and I are going to be presenting around 3:15, and we're going to be leading a conversation around how are you navigating the energy as humanity is evolving in this rapid time of change. We're going to offer some experiences, invite you to share some of your experiences about this transformative time. We're going to offer tips and practices and tools to be able to navigate well. And we're also going to lead a activation and an attunement, really designed to support our natural process of awakening and upleveling. You too are a light worker, leader, healer, visionary, teacher. Now is a time to connect and support each other's high vibration. I hope to see you there.